Hi, I'm Kate Porras with RE/MAX 4000 and welcome to 711 Lochwood Court. This is a charming home in the highly desirable Fountain Greens neighborhood. So many great features and a great backyard. Let's take a look inside. This home has more than 1,500 square feet. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, 2-car garage, and a really open concept. Look how big the living room is here. Newer flooring throughout. You can configure your furniture in a number of different ways to make it work for you. It opens up into a large kitchen. There are solid surface countertops and in fact a whole lot of counter space. It's nice and wide, so there's plenty of room to maneuver. There's a good sized pantry, a beverage fridge with a little coffee nook, and plenty of space to put a nice sized kitchen table. The primary suite is also located off of the main living area. I love that it has its own private access to the patio. Lots of great natural light in here thanks to this big window and lots of space for your furniture. You can get some good sized furniture in this room. It also has a wonderful ensuite bathroom. You have dual sinks, a standalone shower, 2 walk-in closets, and a nice jetted tub. The other 2 bedrooms are on the opposite side of the home, so it's a split floor plan design. Each of these rooms is a good size too, but what's really nice, both of these bedrooms have their own walk-in closets. And just outside those bedrooms is a full bath with access from the hall. Now it's time to show you my favorite part of this home, and that is this fabulous backyard. The HOA maintains the landscaping for you, so you can enjoy this beautiful lawn, but you don't have to mow it. There are a lot of trees around the backyard too, so it really gives you some great privacy, and the neighbors sit far back, so you don't have them right on top of you. Hot tub? It does stay with the home, room for a great patio set, and many other places to just sit and relax. If you'd like more information about this home, give me a call at 970-985-8555 or visit kateporras.com.